All right, hi everyone. Welcome back. For those who haven't seen me yet, so my name is Alain Boisvert. I work here at Inaxsys Security Systems. Inaxsys is a distributor of security equipment, also manufacturer of cameras, PoE switches. We manufacture also servers, recording servers, a whole bunch of different equipment that is to serve security professionals and of course end users using our systems. We also sell all of our products and support our products across the world, about 35 different countries that we sell to currently. And we're always looking for new customers, so you guys call on us if you're interested. We will be glad to help you in your venture of your security system. Today I'm actually going to talk about Arkiv. Arkiv is our VMS, a video management software with full analytics package included, and we have a new version that's being released this week. A few things that our current customers need to know is that the new version needs to be reinstalled completely onto your system. So, and how to do this is you require a new license for your system. We can, either install Arkiv 5, it's called Arkiv 5, currently right on top of the current system, or simply delete everything after, of course, making a backup, and then reinstalling with the new license Arkiv 5. So I'm just going to show you the procedure here. So you're looking at my laptop. Basically, there's a little archive icon here. I'm going to right-click on it. And there's two things that we're going to ask you for. I suggest you give us both things when you're going to be updating or requesting an update of your system, or even just adding a license onto your current system. You will need to update your system beforehand. So this is how you're going to do it. So on that little icon, you can run Arkiv here, for example. What I'm going to go do right now is go and get the license number that our orders department will ask you for before issuing you a new license. So you go on the configurations tool here on the right-hand side. You go under devices, and right away here you see what license I have. So this is the Inaxsys Office, and this is what we're going to require from you. The license serial number right here. So you would copy this and put this in the body of an email, for example, and request new version for Arkiv 5, so new software. So that's one way, and that's one of the things that you need to go get. I'm going to exit here too. I'm going to go get my laptop license here. I'll remember it's a default password, so hopefully you didn't leave your system under a default password like I did. So root here, you can do that and get in here. So you need to know what the password is. I'm going to close this. Right click again. I'm going to say activate product. This is to go get a license key file of your computer. So in this case here, I have, of course, the Inaxsys Office. I'm going to go get my laptop. Here's the password again. So root, default, go to next. It's going to ask me a question such as activation product, I believe, or hang on. Here it comes. So activate. So I'm going to click next. Create an activation request. So this is what we require. So I'm going to get next. I've already done one. So here you can save the request file onto your PC. So I'll just click here. It's going to tell me I probably have the same one. So yes, I want to replace it. Okay. So now I've got two things. So I've got the activation request file, which is right here. And I've also copied the license number. So might as well send both of them to us. It takes a couple of minutes to do it. And once we have that, you're capable of, first of all, orders department will send you a new license. And once you have that new license, you'll then be able to install the new software. Now, two things you can do. You can remove all of the archive files that are there. So what I'm showing you here is all the detector packs. So I have 5 detector packs installed. I can delete these right here in the tools system of Windows, and then also delete the archive software. Or I can simply leave everything here and just install the new software directly on top of my existing system. How do I do that, and where do I get the information here? So I'm just going to back up a little. Okay, once you have your new file, guys, and before you've deleted all of your archive system, you got to make sure to make that backup. Like I said, don't take any chances. Yes, you can install on top, but why not just make a backup? So you're seeing here on my screen, backup restore. So you just go there, backup restore. I think it's going to ask me for, here you go, laptop and root. Again, my default password, root. Okay, go next. And this will be enabling the backup. You're going to have to do the same procedure once the Arkiv 5 is installed. You will need to do the same procedure to reactivate your system. Again, only if you didn't install on top. If you've removed everything, this is what you need to do beforehand and also after the fact, okay? And this is where you back it up. This is our website, so inaxsys.com. You go under the support tab, download center, and then you request archive. You go into the video management software times 64, and then it brings you to the download center. And now here's the what you require to download. So Arkiv 5 is the new software that you want to go get. So you need to download everything that you're seeing on this page. So one is the actual software and all of the different detector packs. So all the analytics package, facial recognition, if you're using facial recognition. If you're not, you don't necessarily have to install it. But once you're here, you might as well install everything that's there. So facial recognition, license plate recognition, and of course the most important one here is the detector pack. If these detector packs are not installed, your system will not function properly. Or you'll see your images, but none of the analytics will be working. So that's how you update to Arkiv 5. Why did we do this? Basically, it's a new software. There are some new features, and there's a big bonus. And this is the whoever our existing customers are and have a current standard system, standard does not exist anymore. So in Arkiv, we had standard, professional, and enterprise editions, and now we only have we still have 3 editions, but standard has been removed. Standard had limitations. Basically, the limitation was, up to 64 cameras on any one server or multiple servers, but under 64 was always the most cameras that you can have. So that's been eliminated. So whoever's going to update their system from Arkiv to Arkiv 5 that have a current standard edition software will now have a professional license. So that means unlimited. There is no more 64 channel limitation. And the detector pack is slightly different. You're capable of doing object tracker with motion detection, getting the forensic type searches, which I'll show later on how to set that up. So you're getting a bonus simply. And now we have, basically it's going to be a professional edition. We have enterprise still, and we have unified. Unified gives you a little more. There's a little more additional features, and we'll get into that later on as well. The main thing that I wanted to show here was how you're going to update. Very important that you need to update your systems. There is no other way. The only way of going forward is updating to the new version. Okay. Thank you very much. Welcome back, and subscribe anytime you want. Encourage us by subscribing. Thank you very much.